learn how to use a stochastic indicator for trading euro, yen, and FS. Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss how to use the stochastic indicator for trading euro, yen, and FS. All right. So I'm on a monthly chart. You can see that the stochastic 833 is oversold. All right. So whenever the stochastic is oversold, it's pointing to us a support level. So pay attention to this vertical line here and also this vertical line here. So as the stochastic reach the oversold zone, it's pointing to us, okay, a support level. Which support level? This one here, okay. See here, price pull back and changing direction. So in fact, it's the support level here. So price breaks above. See here, this resistance here, price turn around. It's a key level. Now price breaks above that key level here and retest it here. So as the stochastic became oversold here, is pointing to us that resistance level. I'm going to color it now into pink. Alright, so this is the key levels that the stochastic is pointing to us, that the price is going down, is now in a support zone. Alright, so as the price reaches that level, we will say that priority to bullish signal above the 12071 and priority to bearish signal below. You can see that this candlestick was the first candlestick after the stochastic became oversold, and is also retesting the pink line, which is a key level here, the support level here, at the first time. So the professional forex trader responded and used a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method, okay, to buy the euro yen, and the price went up for 1 month. But as the price went up, it was again sold down. Why? Because the market pattern, okay, is a declining channel. So the price is below a declining, a bearish trend line. We should give priority to bearish signal. One of the common, okay, trading mistake or FS trading mistakes is the violation of the market pattern. So price below a bearish trend line, priority to bearish signal. If one is buying below the bearish trend line, or if one is buying in a declining channel, one must be very, very cautious. All right. So if I draw a channel, this will be the bearish channel. All right. Price in a bearish channel. All right. And you want to buy, you want to be very careful. But can I show you that a lot of traders had bought it here because the price break above the pink line, all right, that key level, and was retesting it here. It's okay if one is buying here. One should be very, very careful, but one must use what? A multiple time frame trading method to control the risk. But as you can see, as the price went up first time, it did retest the edge of the bearish trend line, and the professional sold it down. Okay, so you can see that the stochastic is still oversold, so which means the price break below the first support level. So when the stochastic stays oversold for a long time, it means that the price is breaking below support level. So once again, because we are in a declining channel, the priority should be to sell. All right, so the first support level is 12071, the price breaks below it. The next support level is 11597, the price breaks below it and retests it here. So that's the second support level. We are now in the zone of the third support level at 11073. What is happening now? Professionals are selling, okay, the euro dollar into the zone of 11073, which is the third support level. And the stochastic is still oversold. But the market pattern is bearish. One should give priority to bearish signal. So in this case, if you want to sell, either you are selling on the edge of the declining channel, so Price rally up to the edge, you use a top-down trading method to trade it, all right? Or price breaks below a support level, either 12071, 11597, and 11073, break below, retest, that's what's happened here. And then we implement a top-down trading method to sell it. Now it's going down, it's heading towards the 11073 and also the edge of the declining channel. All right, but the common trading mistake is to trade a stochastic anyhow. So stochastic is oversold, as some of the scalpers and day traders are doing on a 5 minute, on a 15 minutes. All right, it's not the best way to trade a stochastic. Anytime the stochastic is overbought, people are selling. Here it is, it was overbought, but the price was going up, which means if the stochastic stays overbought for a long time, it means that the price is breaking resistance level. So in that case, we must highlight those resistance level and try to buy after the price is retesting those resistance level. All right. So here you see stochastic stay overbought for a long time. You see break above, retest. Now do not buy. Implement a top-down trading method, a multiple time frame trading method. If the signal fell, come out. Okay. I want to point something else to you, is that if you look on your left hand side, the price, look carefully on your chart. Okay, look carefully. All right. The price was consolidating between the orange line. You see the orange line on the chart. Let's zoom into it. Okay. In 2011, the price was consolidating on the monthly chart between the level of 11597 and the level of 10607. All right. I color this line also into orange. You will see that the price was consolidating between the two orange line, okay, for many months. So there was a consolidation here, and the upper side of the consolidation is 11597, and the lower part of the consolidation is 10607. As you can see, the price again below the top of that consolidation. All right, professional would like to sell from the level of 11597 down to the level of 10607. But the median line for that orange channel is at 11073. So as I told trader before, the price structure will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. So before, the price was in this red declining channel. Now we are entering, okay, this orange horizontal channel. So prior to bearish signal in the vicinity of 11597, the price rally up to 11597. We will implement a top-down trading method to sell it, okay, expecting the price to roll it down near the median line at 11073. If you break below the 11073 and retest it and find a resistance, there is a high channel. You come back below the lower part of the consolidation at 10607. You can see that though the stochastic is oversold, we are paying attention to the price structure, which will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy. We want to buy at the support level. We want to sell at a resistance level. If you want to buy at a resistance level, the price must break above that resistance level and then retest it and turn around. And then we implement, very important, a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method to trade it. All right. If you want to sell, price must break below, okay. If you want to sell at the support level, the price must break below that support level, retest it, and then start changing direction. And then we implement a top-down trading method to trade it, whether we are day trading, scalping, okay, or swing trading. This is about learning how to use a stochastic indicator for trading the euro yen and FX. I want to remind new traders and beginners that the euro yen is quite volatile, okay? It's quite difficult for new traders to handle the euro Japanese yen. is moving fast. It requires higher stop loss. So if you are a new trader, you may trade, for instance, the euro dollar or the British pound US dollar, or one of the 5 major currency pair, or the dollar Swiss franc. Okay, those are easier, okay, currency pair for new traders. All right, but if you are more experienced forex trader, you can, okay, handle, okay, the euro yen. The bottom line is that one must always combine the technical analysis with the economy news. As I said to traders before, all right, one cannot trade forex if one wants to ignore the economy news. Check the economy news at forexfactory.com. All right, so what is happening now? So I draw the orange line to you here. So I'm going to change the color of this the second orange line into green. I have a reason for it. The reason is the short-term equilibrium price level for the euro yen is the orange line here at 115.97. If one is day trading or swing trading, one should not ignore the level of 115.97 for the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so. That short-term equilibrium price level will remain in place for the next 2 to 3 weeks. All right, 115.97. All right, so do not ignore the market structure. We are now entering the consolidation zone between 115.97, which is the short-term equilibrium price level, and a level of 106.07. So right now, the 3 key levels that you do not want to forget are 115.97, the top of the consolidation, the median line at 110.73, and the lower part of the consolidation at 106.07. Please be aware of the declining channel is still in place, the price approaching the lower part of the consolidation. Leaving those lines on my charts, I will go now to the daily chart. So from the monthly chart, okay, we go to the daily chart. You can see what is happening here. The price will form a double bottom chart pattern near the median line. You can see the median line is 110.73. That's how professional trading, they know those key levels, and bounce up near the top of that consolidation. Now they are selling it down towards the median line again, and also near, okay, the lower part of the red channel. If you break below that red channel, the lower part of the red channel, or the 110.73, break below, retest, and final resistance, we implement a top-down trading method, and we bring it down to 106.07. Remember that there was a double bottom chart pattern. If the price reaching the level of 110.73, there will be buyers who bought it here before at the double bottom pattern place will try to buy again at 110.73, which is the median line of that horizontal channel. All right, here again the stochastic 83 is oversold, pointing to us a support level. Which support level is the level of 110.73 and the edge of the lower part of the declining channel. The price is not there yet. Okay, hold on please, let's zoom into it. Okay, the price is not here yet. That's the support level that the stochastic is pointing to us. That support level here. That's what the stochastic is pointing to us. So we will expect the euro yen slowly but gradually to come and retest this level here. And then we will see whether those who bought it here will buy it again. The only way one can trade like a pro, one must always implement a top-down trading method. So you will find a valid trading setup like you have here, a double bottom chart pattern. You say, oh George, this is a double bottom chart pattern. Implement a top-down trading method, daily chart, hourly chart, 10-minute time frame. All right, you want a weekly chart, 4-hour time frame, and 15-minute time frame, or weekly chart, 2-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame. You want a monthly chart, daily chart, hourly time frame. Top-down trading method. You want to know more? Subscribe to 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, and YouTube check the video. YouTube search the video that we title, okay, top-down trading strategies by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, or multiple time frame trading method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Okay, here it is. So this is what's going on now. Okay, It's going from the top of the consolidation towards the median line, okay? So you want to know where is the price going, what is happening, and by checking the price structure, you will know exactly what is taking place instead of going out. So here again, we are on the hourly time frame. The stochastic is oversold. It's pointing to a support level. Which support level? There is a support here. This one is changing direction here. That support level, this one here, breaking bull retest. Alright, it's the changing direction here. It's a support level. So it's highlighting that support. The same support level is highlighted here. Same support level is highlighting for us. So now, if you stay oversold for long, you break below, retest, boom, down. Alright. So once again, the common trading mistake is what? The violation of the market pattern. Again, on the hourly time frame, price is in a declining channel. Will you agree? Declining channel. Alright, so either break below retest or on the edge, use a top-down trading method to trade it. Okay, step by step, at least trade on the edge. Okay, on the edge. Alright, gently, and never forget the economy news. Economy news for Forex is so important. One cannot afford to ignore it, because you see a technical training setup and the economy news are released and tall candle pop up everywhere. Okay, you want to know when those economy news are due, which impact they may have on the market, so you may also position yourself, okay, to avoid, okay, a losing. Okay, the bottom line is not to lose. I hope you will find this video also useful and we put it to use to make excellent, okay, stochastic indicator FS trading decisions. We are the GSTW24 traders talking about learn how to use a stochastic indicator for Forex trading, okay, Euro, Yen, and FS. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.